single day I'm asked to prove that I'm valuable, but you're acting new. Now I'm trying to get to you. I don't wanna know if he's next to you. Think of all the things that he gets to do, but he's in my shoes and you know it's true. You can't take me on, babe. We can't ease the tension. Anything you say, girl, I don't have to question. You can't take me on.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. As you guys can tell, I'm in a hotel room. It is finally our spring break. So me and my roommate are currently in Sanya, which is kind of like a beach area. We actually just came back from a service trip in Anhui yesterday and then also flew here last night. So I actually did film my service trip, but then there was a lot of changes in our schedule. There's issues with the educational bureau having us over, so we didn't end up. Oh my god, I found mosquito Faye. I got it! Yay! Oh no, I didn't. I got it! Hey, it's on my hand. Hold on. Hey y'all, I'm back. I had to kill a mosquito. Anyways, basically the educational bureau had issues with us coming over because there's a bunch of foreigners, and it was just a really confusing, chaotic situation, and it ended up being like a sightseeing place in Anhui, which I really enjoyed. I know lots of people from Anhui, so this was really fun for me. And yeah, so this is the second part of my spring break. Obviously, I'm with Faye, who is hiding right now. But today, we are going to Yalong or something like that. It's like this forest park place, I think. There's like a glass bridge. If you know, you know. There's also like a bunch of like, I don't know how to explain it. Apparently, lots of Chinese TV shows are filmed there, so lots of people go there. So I'm kind of scared of going there because we actually have classmates that are in Sanya, and they told us that it's very crowded and all that stuff, but it's worth going. So we're gonna go. I'm excited. Today is kind of cloudy, but I think that's like fine. Tomorrow's raining, so we're trying to do everything that we can today. Kind of rest a little bit indoors tomorrow, and then on our last day, go out. Because today is April 6th, and we leave April 9th. So we're only staying here for 3 days because we have school on April 10th. So yeah, come with us to the forest park.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder? If we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder? If we could run it back. All of the things I didn't know, I had to get.
Hey guys, so we just got our ticket, and I got an adult ticket because I'm 19, and Faye got an Artong ticket, which is like a child ticket, because she's 18. That's so crazy. I just turned 19 too. So like we could have gotten 2 Artong tickets, but we didn't because I had to turn 19. Anyways, we got our tickets though.
Tired of messing around with the F-boys. It was a good job, kept me employed, but now I'm moving on to the next point. Try to date a prince instead of a simp, yeah. Someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad and ugly. More than 90, I want a life story, kinda something like that Shakespeare would have wrote it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could've met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me. Tell me, what would Juliet do? She'd keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, Romeo, where art thou? Romeo, Romeo, I want my.
Yeah, we just crossed the bridge, and there's a guy at the end of the bridge that took photos. So I got this one printed out, and Faye doesn't like the fact that she's in it, but I love it. But we're gonna go check out something called the Lover's Bridge and then a mist pavilion. So yeah.
Why'd you have to go and set the bar so high? It's 2020 when nobody starts us across and right, and we can blame it on the guys who are talking in disguise. Got the body of a prince, but the heart of a simp. I need someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad, and ugly. More than IG, I want a life story, and I'm talking about the Leo version of it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could've met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me. Tell me, what would Juliet do? She keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, Romeo, where art thou? Romeo, Romeo, I want my Romeo, Romeo. Yeah, I want something classic, but all these boys are tragic. Romeo, 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 Romeo. She keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, Romeo, where art thou? Romeo, Romeo, I want my Romeo, Romeo. Yeah, I want something classic, but all these boys are tragic. Romeo.
These are so good.
We had a good time from what I remember, like Bonnie and Clyde when we are together. But we were at your best friend's backyard party when your phone fell in the pool. Had a couple missed calls from your crazy ex, but you said it was cool. Girl, I can be yours tonight. I can be whatever you're missing. Take you to the stars tonight, like an astronaut on a mission. I wanna take you higher. Let's fly till we see the northern lights. Girl, this could be yours tonight. Fill the empty space in your broken heart tonight. I woke up at 9 without a hangover, 'cause when I'm with you, I'd rather be sober. I think that we were dancing to a Springsteen song that got me in the mood.
Okay, so we just like checked out the set for like, I think it's Facial Mural, but I don't know. And then we're going to watch this like mini movie, the short film. I think it's 4D. We also got this pineapple that was so sweet. It's so good. But yeah, we're doing like a lot of stuff, so I'm really happy. So, yeah.
And I don't wanna miss a single moment on our journey to the moon. Girl, I can be yours tonight. I can be whatever you're missing. Take you to the stars tonight, like an astronaut on a mission. I wanna take you higher. Let's fly till we see the northern lights. Girl, this could be yours tonight. Fill the empty space in your broken heart tonight. Tonight. Tonight.
Hey guys, so we just finished, I don't know, dinner. We had gan chao niu he, and it was really good. Everything is closing up though. Like the restaurant that we just bought food from is closing. We wanted to get this like coconut rice thing, and that place ran out of coconuts, so I'm guessing they're also closed soon. And yeah, so we're trying to get on our slide because we paid extra to go on the slide. So we are rushing right now. Let's go, Faye. What do we do with this? Okay, okay. See you guys at the slide because we're gonna be on that slide.
Tonight, I'ma take you to the sky. Tonight, I'm a traveler through time. Girl, I can be yours tonight. I can be whatever you're missing. Take you to the stars tonight, like an astronaut on a mission. I wanna take you higher, let's fly till we see the northern lights. Oh, this could be yours tonight. Fill the empty space in your broken heart.
Hey guys, so we are back in our hotel. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah. We were so tired. I took a shower, so that's why my hair is poofy like this. But we are currently on our way to a convenience store to get some like shampoo and conditioner for Faye, and then some lotion for me, and then some food. So yeah, that's the plan. And then tomorrow it's raining or thunderstorming, so we are gonna figure out what we're doing tomorrow. We're probably gonna go to an aquarium because Faye really wants to go to one, and they have one here that's actually like really good. Stop. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I just saw like the fattest cockroach ever. That was crazy. Anyways, we're going to the aquarium probably, and then the day after we're gonna go to this cultural park, which is at the same area as the place we were today, but unfortunately like we ran out of time, and the cultural park and the thing that we went to closes at like 6 or something, so we couldn't make both of them. And then we're gonna obviously go to the beach too, hopefully sometime this vacation. So yeah.
Sweet nostalgia.
Now I stand here 'cause I'm here.